Can I ask you one more time? I want to get a picture of his face. This is a pilot that works on my airplane. He runs Holiday Air. I will do it real quick. Yeah, he knows me. Actually, what I'll do is I'll give him a copy. Is this the one that they took off is it stored at Lake Hood, the museum?
I think so.
Yeah. I think my uncle flew this one in from the Northwest. His name was Herb Nicholson.
Okay.
Yeah, he flew it in the 30s. I appreciate you letting me do this. I know it's out of the ordinary.
No worries.
Yeah, I've been a pilot since 81. I still fly. In fact, I just flew in from Lake Clark Pass yesterday afternoon, and I ordered some new windows. In fact, here's the one that's going to be installing my new cockpit windows in my Cherokee. I wish I could get a close-up. Let me know when I need to move back. The history of this guy, he runs a Holiday Air at Birchwood, and he's got a good number of years fish spotting for Togiak herring, and he does a lot of big guide, super cub guide. He brings people out to hunt big game.
Yeah.
Yeah. One more thing I'll share with you is he has a virtual museum in his hangar of all the big game he's caught in Africa, in America, all over Alaska. Okay, he's getting ready now. I'll be out here in a jet. Okay, I'll move off.